Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on April 5, 2022, 3-star Sudoku. Column E, we have 3, 6, 8. The three numbers can't come these cells. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then second grid, only 3 numbers are remaining. 179, 7th row and 4th row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Second row we already have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Third row we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Second grid, only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row and third row we have pair numbers 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 9, 4. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. First grid, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 8. Column B, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column D, already we have 3, 6. So 6 can't come this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column I, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Third grid, only 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Fifth grid, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Fifth grade, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 7, 8. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then fifth grade, only 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 8. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 7. 8th row, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 10th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then only 1 numbers are remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, and 7th row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column I and column J we have 8. 8th row also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 9th row and 5th row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B and 8th row and 9th row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Column D also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 8th row and 10th row, and then column J we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 6, 7. 8th row we have 3 and we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 7th row we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Seventh row we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 6th row we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column F only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Since 8 is here, so 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. 5th row 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 5, 7. 6th grade we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells. Column D also we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 5. Column D and column J we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column J we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 4th grade 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 9. 7th row we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column B we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 7th row only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 6th grade 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column H we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column G 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 8th row 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column C we have 4, So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column B and column C we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column B we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column B only 1 number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. 10th row we already have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 9th row 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column D we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.